The favourite and most memorable part of any adventure is the pack down and clean up. Not. Luckily, the Weber Traveller is super simple to clean and easy to pack down so you can get back to adventuring in no time at all. It is important to keep your barbecue clean, especially if you're keeping it in your car, and your food will taste better. If you're storing it in between adventures in a cupboard or shed, you don't want barbecue grease and fat leaking everywhere. So I have a kit here. In here, this is my 5 top tools that I like to use. First up is a Weber stainless steel grill brush. This will help keep your cooking grills clean. First, just make sure that you preheat your barbecue on high for 15 minutes. This will burn off and carbonize any leftover food debris so you can simply brush it away. Once your barbecue is cold, you can remove the cooking grills. And then using the grill brush, brush across, not along the burner tube, and this will brush away any debris and not clog the burner holes. The next tool in my kit is a Cookbox scraper. This is a handy tool to clean the bowl of your barbecue. You can channel all the debris down into the drip pan. I like to keep a packet of barbecue wipes in my kit so I can quickly wipe over the barbecue or through the Cookbox, especially if I'm putting the barbecue into the back of my car. In here, I also have a couple spare drip pans. Now, if your drip pan does have a full layer of grease in the bottom, it's best to throw it out and replace it with a new one. If you only have a little bit of grease in the drip pan, you can pop it into a container like this. So I always have a container in my kit just in case. Essentially, you never want any grease left in your drip pan when you go to move it. Otherwise, you'll end up with a greasy spilt mess. Along with a container for my drip pan, I also keep a couple Ziploc bags in my kit. This is super handy to collect up any rubbish. Now that our barbecue is clean, I've removed our gas bottle. Just collapsing the barbecue. It's going to automatically lower down and then lock into position. All that we need to do is put that safety latch across. And now we're ready for our next adventure.